If you want to level up your skill in Excel, you must be able to answer this question. What is the formula for subtotal compile with an if statement here? Let's say, for example, on this data set here, I'm looking for the fruit type fig, and if it's found, I want to add this number to the total. So the function we'll be using is called SUMIF. The first argument of the function is basically the range for the fruit type fig, like that, comma, double quote, fig. As you can see, it's not case sensitive. I'm entering lowercase f while all my fruit type is fig, comma. The third argument will be the range or the data range where you'll be adding the total, and then close parenthesis and hit enter. As you can see, I'm getting 1.8 million. Well, if I were to go ahead and highlight all the figs total here like this, as you can see, I get 1.18 million. But one thing to note is that I've got a couple of figs here. You can see LSU fig, purple, Desert King fig. I want to include them as well. How do you do it? Well, you're going to have to use something called the wildcard. As you can see, there's a couple of characters before the word fig over here, and there's a couple of characters after and before. The way to do it would be to use asterisks at the front to take care of the first few characters, and put an asterisk at the back to take care of the last few characters. And if you hit enter, you get 2.025 million. And if you were to check here, you can see you get 2.025 million, and it matches here. But what if you have multiple conditions or criteria? Right now I'm looking for only fig, but what if I want to look for fig and at the same time unit deliver carton of greater than 800? You're gonna have to use a function called SUMIF with an S here like this, open parenthesis, and the argument is a bit different here. So the first argument would be your summing range, which is your total, which was argument number 3 on the SUMIF. But the second argument here would be the criteria range. Let's select this guy here. So we're gonna look for fig in here, right? And the third argument would be fig like this, double quote, comma. And then the next two argument, the fourth and the fifth argument, would be your second criteria, which is going to be unit deliver. This is the data range, comma. And then I want to look for units delivered greater than 800. So it's going to be greater than 800. Make sure you put double quote in this, although they are numerical value, double quote is required. Close parenthesis and hit enter. As you can see, I get $595,000 here like this. Then if you were to go ahead and select, you'll know that it's 595. But what if you want to include in your criteria, include any characters before the word fig and after? Likewise, like what you did here, you can still use the wildcard like this, asterisk and asterisk. You don't have to put both asterisks, you can put one at the back indicating taking care of only this one here, but this will be ignored. Let me hit enter here. You can see it is ignoring that. So if you want to include all of them, when we do inclusive, you can do asterisk here like this.